Yeah, you hold that phone in that time?
You say me have it.
Oh, you have the phone in your hand?
No, me not have a phone in my hand because it might take picture and I see my phone in my hand. And you say me have a phone. So me not have my phone, me not use my phone, me not eat that. Me see children turn up on the sidewalk, I'm not going to use my phone. He want documents, he want because me use my phone. Me not use my phone, me not eat that. You can't check my phone and check my phone, me not use it.
Where you holding the phone?
No, me not have it in my hand because I take picture everything.
Wow.
I saw him driving along Hope Road with the cell phone, Samsung Galaxy S9 device, clutched in his hand, driving down. Me signal him to stop. A matter of fact, he make eye contact with me, and him drive come down all the way down here, so you see him. Tell him to provide him documents. Him refuse to provide him documents. I'll know me not get him documents. Him call me that. You see me like how you see him go on, him go on. You gotta get them tickets, you know. Me promise you that, you know. Sir, I know you not produce me that documents. Let me see your documents. Let me see your documents, please.
That's all me say to you. That's all me say to you. Me say, if you late, I'm going to go a court. I mean, now you don't come in here. And that me tell you, don't that me tell you. All right. Same thing me tell him. And he still say, it's the idea. It's the idea.
The driver's license, sure.
Right after. I put me around. And me tell him, and he say, no business.
Sarge, I want to see driver's license and
documents. I call somebody senior. And me ask him when senior there. Because we can't talk to him. Because I feel like such a him in a uniform if he say my bigger police dog.
Yeah. I don't need fear to do this in the public.
It's my problem, you know.
Sir, me ask you countless times. I know me not see your documents, you know. Why me can't see your documents all now, sir? Why me can't see your documents all now? Produce me that. You get that for failure to comply with constable command, you get an additional ticket. Let me see your documents. For each count of command.
So produce the driver's license.
For each command, produce your driver's. You don't have it. Step on the outside of the vehicle, please.
Can I have a weapon?
No, Sarge, I'm going to get it. No, I want Sarge. Sarge. No, Sarge. Sarge. May I tell you, I'm going to get it. Sarge. I'm going to get it, Sarge.
What the plate number is? You have a device.
I can't identify him. I know, see who come up there, I don't know if I am that.
What's your name, sir?
Him? No? Well, if you don't have a driver's license, you know, and I can't identify, say, you're the owner of a driver's license, you know, we are going to deal this a different way, you know. Exit the vehicle from a place.
Sir Brown?
Sarge.
Maybe Sir Brown?
Sarge.
Sir Brown.
Let me have a word over here, Sarge. Sarge, let me have a word with you over here, Sarge. Me not fi argue with you, you know. I this I do all I talking for me. Me not fi argue with you. Police or no police, you can't see me out here and go on like you want boy me up. How you, man?
Focus my road.
Are you the holder of a valid driver's license, sir? No, me no want to pass at the stage. I tell you, we pass at the stage. I prosecute him accordingly. Are you the holder of a valid driver's license, sir? If you drive where, all right.